Hello friends, welcome students. In the last video, we finished exercise 3.1. Now let me see forward. So 3.3, sum of the measure of exterior angle of the polygon. So friends, what is the exterior angle first of all? So I will show you. So in this triangle, this 30 is the interior angle and this one is exterior. 90 is interior angle and x is the exterior angle. This one is interior and this y is exterior angle. So friends, in this all polygon exterior angles are there, but one thing we should remember that friends, if we do the addition of interior and exterior angle means 30 plus z, so answer will be 180 because it make a straight angle. So 30 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if we do the addition of interior angle plus exterior angle, so we will get a straight angle. If we do the addition of 90 plus x, so it is a straight angle 180 degree. This angle plus y, so it's a 180 degree. So these are called the exterior angle. So we have to see the sum of all exterior angle. What is the sum of all exterior angles? So let me see friends. So friends, here one pentagon is given. In this pentagon, the exterior angles are given. This exterior angle 1, exterior angle 2, exterior angle 3, exterior angle 4 and exterior angle 5. So let me see. Draw the polygon of the floor using the piece of chalk. In this figure, we want to know the total measure of the angle, measure of angle 1, measure of angle 2, measure of angle 3, measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5. Start at A. So let me start from here A. Walk along AB. So here we have to walk like this. On reaching B, you need to turn through an angle measurement of A. To walk the BC, when you have to reach, you have to an angle of angle 2. You walked along CD. You continue move to the manner until you return the side AB. So you would have in fact mode of this complete turn. Therefore, so whenever you are starting from here, so one mode, another mode, you are just turn again and again you are turning to reach till again A. So here you start, you turn at measure angle A, measure angle 2. If you do the addition of all these turns, जहाँ पे हमने टर्न लिया, जहाँ पे हमने मोड़ लिया, वहाँ पे आप जो भी एंगल लिया वो सब का अगर एडिशन करोगे सो आंसर आएगा 360, क्योंकि फ्रॉम वेयर वी स्टार्ट वी अगेन स्टॉप एट दैट सेम पॉइंट. सो हमने जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया वहीं हमने खत्म किया, तो उसका मीनिंग होता है सो द एंगल हमने कितना रोटेट किया, सो वी रोटेट 360 डिग्री. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट as angle of measurement of angle A, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.5 is equal to 360 degree. So this rule is applicable for all polygon. This is applicable for all the polygon. So therefore the sum of measure of external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Now let me start from example number 1. So example number 1, find the measure of x in this given figure. So friends, let me see. So here we have to find the value of x. So x is over here. So this exterior angle is 110, this exterior angle is 50, this exterior angle is 90. So friends, exterior angle sum property, addition of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus 50 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360 degree. If we do the addition of these three, so we will get 250. Now this 250 shift to right hand side, so it become minus 250. So if we do the subtraction of 360 and 250, so we will get x is equal to 110. So our answer we got value of x is equal to 110 degree. So this angle is 110 degree. So friends, here one try this is given. Take a regular hexagon. The regular. So friends, we already learned in any regular polygon, all the angles are same and all the sides are same. Then it is called the regular angle. So friends, if we take all the angles are same, all the interior angles are same. So friends, we can say that all the exterior angles are also same. Okay, so in these all the angles are A, all the interior angles are same. So we can say that all the exterior angles are same. So here are names, different names are given, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. But we can also give the same name because X is equal to Y is equal to Z is equal to P is equal to Q is equal to R. Here they ask the question why. So we can give the answer whenever or in the any regular polygon, if all the interior angles are same, so all the exterior angles are also same. Now here the question is that what is the measure of each exterior angle and interior angle? We have to find the measure of all interior angle and all exterior angle. So first of all, friends, we know that. So friends, interior angles addition. So we are having the equation n minus 2 multiplied by 180 for interior angle. So n is equal to number of sides. So here 6 sides are there. So 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 6 minus 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 180. So answer is 720. So what is the measure of each exterior angle and each interior angle? So friends, angle sum property for interior angle we having here 720 degree. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 angles are there. So 6 A is equal to 720 degree. So A is equal to 720 divided by 6. Okay. So if we can cut this or not. So we know that 12 6 are 72. So 120 degree. Angle of each interior angle is 120 degree. Now friends, from 120 degree, so this is 120 degree. So exterior angle is 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So each exterior angle is 60 degree. Now friends, they said that repeat this activity for the cases of regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides and regular pentagon means 20 side वाले पॉलीगन के लिए ये सब इंटीरियर एंगल कितना होगा और एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना होगा यो फाइंड करो. That is a activity type question. If you want to do, then you can do, otherwise it's okay. Now example number 2. Find the numbers of side of rectangular polygon whose exterior angle has 45 degree. So friends, regular polygon, in the regular polygon we having the equation, okay, so friends, we know that in the any polygon the exterior angle sum property is equal to 360. Addition of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So in triangle total 3 exterior angles are there, and in the regular triangle all the exterior angles are same. So we can use this property, 3x is equal to 360 degree means x plus x plus x 3x means 3 exterior angle है इसमें, तीनों सेम है. So x plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 divided by 3. So we will get the value of x is equal to 120 degree. Same for quadrilateral, 4x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 4. So value of x is equal to 90 degree. Pentagon, 5x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 5. X is equal to 5 and 360. So 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 6. Sorry friends, 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35 and 1. So 71 degree. So friends, here we got the equation for exterior angle, that nx is equal to 360 degree, where n is equal to number of side for a regular polygon only. This equation we can apply for regular polygon only. On x is equal to measure of exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is equal to x. So here friends, we having a question number 2. Question number 2 is that find the numbers of side, how many numbers of side that we have to find, and each exterior angle is 45 degree. So here we can use this equation, nx is equal to 360 degree. We having the value of x is equal to 45. So 360 divided by 45. So 360 divided by 45. So answer is 8. So it is a total sides are 8. So we can say it is a octagon. Now exercise 3.2. Find the x. The triangle is there and all exterior angle are there. So 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so this way we can find it. 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125 is equal to 250. Now this 250 transfer to right hand side, so it become minus 250. So 360 minus 250, 110 degree. Now another is also same. One pentagon is given. In this pentagon we have to find the value of this x. So x plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360. Okay. If we do the addition of all these four, so we will get 310. Now this 310 is shift to right hand side, so it become minus 310. So 360 minus 310. So answer is 50 degree. Now question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle for the regular polygon. We have to find the angle of exterior angle. So we having the equation, friends. 9x is equal to 360 degrees. Here we have to find the value of x. N is given, number of side is given. So 360 and n is equal to 9. So 9x is equal to 360. So 9 is goes to division of 360. So 360 divided by 9 and 360 divided by 15. Okay, so we will get the answer. So here it is solved. Very easy, these two. Now question number 3. How many sides does the regular polygon have measurement exterior angle? Exterior angle is given 24 degree. Exterior angle 24 degree. So same equations we have to use over here. And x is equal to 3x and x is equal to 24. So 24, 360 divided by 24. So we will get 15. So number of side is equal to 15. Question number 4. How many sides does the regular polygon have if the interior angles is equal to 165? Interior angles are 165 and the regular polygon. So all interior angle are 165, 165, 165. Okay, so one interior angle is 165 is given. So friends, we can say that each interior angle is 165. So friends, we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So interior angle, we have to find interior angle 165, exterior angle is equal to 180. Now 165 transfer to right hand side, so it become minus 165. So exterior angle is 50 degrees. So we got the exterior angle, and from the equation 9x is equal to 360, where x is equal to 15 degrees. So we will get the numbers of sides. So numbers of side is equal to 24. So 24 gone. Now friends, question number 5. So in question number 5, AB to some questions are there. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of exterior angle 22 degree? Means exterior angle 22 degrees hona chahiye. That is possible or not? So let me put the value of 22 in the equation. Nx is equal to 360, where x is equal to 22. So 360 divided by 22. So 360 is not divisible by 22. So it is not possible. And another question is that, can it be interior angle of regular polygon? Why? So answer is no, because it is possible, not possible. Now what is the minimum interior angle possible for the regular polygon? So friends, we know that the minimum numbers of lines is equal to 3 and it is a triangle. So for minimum regular polygon, regular triangle, so minimum angle is 60 degree, because in the triangle angle sum property is equal to 180 degree, means 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So it is a 60 degree. And question number 2, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for the regular polygon? Maximum. So maximum is a minimum interior angle is equal to maximum exterior angle. Minimum interior angle is 60 degree. So maximum exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60. So it is 120 degree. So minimum sides are 3. regular triangle has each of angle 60 degree and the greatest exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. So friends, here we finished our exercise. This exercise from our next video we will see the next theory and exercise. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.